Welcome to Trading Tricks for Indices. Hello all, today I am going to tell you how I plot my charts with a leading and a lagging indicator. If you want to follow me and want to know how I get an edge in the market, see this video until the end. And First of all, I want to tell you what leading indicator I am using. I am using CPR by KGS, which is a CPR pivot point leading indicator. Let me show you here. Go to this tab and search for CPR by KGS and click on this. You are going to get these levels in your chart. Later on we will customize these levels, and now another lagging indicator I am using since I have started my trading career is 20 EMA. Go to this tab and search for EMA by DK Swag. Click on it. Now we have the roadmap here. We have to customize these levels to our we have to customize this according to our needs. As we are day traders, we have to focus on day trading. So go to settings and unbox all other pivot levels other than daily pivots. This is daily pivots, so I'm going to click this, and all other pivots I'm going to unbox. This is a weekly pivot, this is monthly pivot, this is monthly high, everything else other than daily pivots. For day traders, previous day high and previous day low is very important, is very much important. And now this is over. Click on OK. Now we have to customize the EMA. Go to settings and unbox 20-day EMA and 50-day EMA. We are using 20 EMA to our setup, and now our setup is ready. This is the setup, and this is the roadmap to our trading success. One of the most successful strategy in my arsenal is this. I enter right here. If I see any pivot and the 20 EMA crosses, I will enter here. I'm going to here for the first time it crosses here. I'm going to enter right after the close of this candle, and I put my stop loss here. The next level of the pivot is my target, and my target is here. If my stop loss hits, I will take it. Otherwise, it will hit my target. In between, I do not touch my P&L anything else. This is my trading edge. Likewise, so many day trading strategies are part of my trading setup. If you want to know all my day trading strategies, follow my channel. Please subscribe, click the bell icon. Bye bye.